In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a code block in Confluence. Whether you're preparing documentation or sharing snippets of code with your team, Confluence's built-in code block feature is a great tool to help you format and present code clearly and effectively. Let's walk through this straightforward process together and make sure your code is presented just the way you need it. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Confluence page where you want to add your code block. This might seem intuitive, but taking a moment to find the right place ensures that your code snippet is positioned exactly where it needs to be within your documentation. So open your Confluence workspace and head to the page where your code block will live. Once you're on the correct page, it's time to start editing. Click on the edit button to enter the edit mode of the page. This step is crucial because without entering edit mode, you won't be able to modify the content or add new elements. Now that you're in edit mode, you have the freedom to enhance your page with rich formatting options. With the page ready for editing, the next step is to insert the code block itself. Simply type "osh code" directly into the editor, and Confluence will intelligently suggest the code snippet option for you. Click on this suggestion, and just like that, you have a code block element added to your page. This shortcut is a real time saver, streamlining what could otherwise be a more tedious process. Now let's focus on one of the most beneficial features of Confluence code blocks: syntax highlighting. Click on the language drop-down menu within the code block widget. Here, you can select the programming language that matches your code. This feature is more than just aesthetic. It dynamically highlights your code segments based on the language's syntax, making your code easier to read, understand, and debug. Picking the right language from this drop-down is therefore a critical step to ensure your documentation is as clear and professional as possible. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding a code block in Confluence. Remember, taking these steps not only helps organize your documentation, but also enhances readability for anyone who might reference your work later on. Whether it's sharing snippets with your team or maintaining clean and clear documentation, the code block feature in Confluence is a valuable tool for any Confluence user. So go ahead and give it a try on your Confluence page today, and rest assured your documentation will look top-notch. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!